Today I'm going to show you how to create a fake stop motion effect with just a few simple steps. Normally, stop motion takes hours of frame by frame editing, but with VN, you can fake it instantly. First, import your video into the timeline, tap on the clip so it's selected, and look down at the bottom toolbar. From here, tap on speed. Now, choose the regular tab because we just want to speed up the entire clip evenly. Drag the slider to the right, set it above 5x for a subtle fake stop motion, or go all the way to 10x for a much stronger effect. Once you play the video back, you'll notice the smooth motion is gone. Instead, it looks like it was shot frame by frame, just like a stop motion animation. This works best if your video has a lot of motion, like people walking, dancing, or doing quick actions. Here's a bonus tip. You can split your video into smaller parts and apply different speed values. For example, 5x in one section and 10x in another. It'll make the stop motion effect feel more dynamic and fun. And that's it. You've just created a fake stop motion effect in VN Video Editor with one simple trick. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tutorials.